Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 24 volt AC power adapter. So you simply just plug it into a wall outlet and you've got 24 volts AC coming out these two wires here. The cable that comes with it is 26 feet long. That's extremely long. This is perfect for a Ring doorbell. You can hook either wire to either place, but you can see a Ring doorbell requires 16 to 24 volts AC. And you can simply just put those on there and that will power up your Ring doorbell and you do not have to have a battery anymore. So this is a great way to power smart thermostats, Wi-Fi doorbells. Input is 120 volts, 60 hertz, 0.2 amps. Output is 24 volts AC, 500 milliamps. And again, let's look at the size. Yeah, it sticks out from the wall about 1.5 inches, almost 2 inches that way, and almost 2.25 inches that way. It's a little heavy, but the cable. Now you can cut this to any length you want. If you only need this much, you can cut it and then strip the wires back. But that's 26 feet of cable. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.